Are you ready for a crochet party? Oh. Hi, my name's Karen Stangram and welcome to the Conquer Crochet launch party. Yay! Now, before we get going proper, I have to give you my 4 reasons why you should not crochet. You will never know what the characters in the TV program you are watching actually look like. You will find that your home has more hiding places for yarn than you ever thought possible, and that your partner will never find out about. Shh. You will no longer have conversations with your family. As you are crocheting, they will ask you questions and you will reply with 3, 4, 5, 6, and just look really angry at them until they go away. People will ask you to knit a crocheted scarf, and you will get really, really, really cross and say to them, I do not knit, I crochet! Seriously, there are 4 things though that are really important. Number 1, your family will always be warm. Number 2, crochet actually reduces your heart rate and keeps you calmer. Number 3, it's really good for your mental health. The repetitiveness of the crochet stitches, the losing yourself in the pattern can actually help calm a mind that is fraught with lots of different things. You are just focusing on one idea. Number 4, you get to be part of this amazing crochet community. So if you haven't already subscribed and hit the notification bell, do it now. I'll wait. Ready? Excellent. And there's more. You can also join my VIP list. I'll link in the comments below. If you join the VIP list, you get entry to my VIP Conquer Crochet Facebook group where you can ask questions about any crochet related thing that you would like to. You will also receive a download, a free download of my Conquer Crochet journal. You will get the first page and you will get the second page. Now this second page is really important. The second page is where you can put down every single project that you make and vitally who you made it for. Because there is nothing worse than going, did I make them a scarf last year? Did I make them a hat? Have I made this toy? Who did I give that to? You don't want to be repeating the same pattern and the same gift to the same person. So this is vital. And as we go through your crochet journey, I will give you additional sheets via our email so that you can keep track on what you're doing and you won't have to keep looking in here and looking in there. Everything will be in your perfect Conquer Crochet journal. What more could you want? Oh, you want more? Okay, I'll give you some more. How about every single Sunday at 2 p.m. Greenwich Mean Time, I will give you a brand new video showing you how to do the next step in your crochet. We'll start off tomorrow, if you're watching this live, with how to hold your hook, how to hold your yarn, and how to chain stitch. We then move on how to do the double crochet, the treble, the half treble, the double treble, and we'll keep going until we've got 1,000,000 trebles. No, that would be ridiculous. But we will keep going with all the new stitches that you need to learn and also some specialized stitches. So if you already know how to crochet, please stick with us. So in a few weeks' time, I will be showing you some special stitches and going through how to make different patterns, how to crochet a round, how to crochet amigurumi, which is what we call when you make these really cute little toys. Do you like my toucan? He's very sweet. Now you may be saying to yourself, yeah, but I'm never going to be that good. It's practice. When you're sat in front of the telly, when you're a passenger in a car, when you're on a commute on a train, when you're on an aeroplane, when you're anywhere, when you're on a boat, when you're on a sun lounger, when you're anywhere in the world that you have a few minutes to yourself, pick up your hook, pick up your yarn and just crochet. It's a very mindful craft. You want more? Oh, what else can I give you? I know. Join my Instagram. There you will find inspiration and all the things you can make. And if you follow our step-by-step guide, you will be a master and you will conquer crochet. Thank you so much for joining me. I'm really excited to have you along on this journey, and I really would love to see what you've been crocheting. So when you join our VIP list and you get into our Facebook group, please, please, please post pictures of things that you're doing, and also post pictures of things going, don't get it, where have I gone wrong? And hopefully if I'm not around to help you, somebody else in the group will be able to. I'll be trying to check as often as I can, and also to reply to your comments that you leave below my YouTube videos. Thank you so much. Cheers, guys.